Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. So in today's video I'll be making this beautiful honey garlic lamb chops. Guys, let's cook. So guys, here we have our rack of lamb, and I'm just going to divide that into smaller portions or smaller chops. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. So why is it so hard to let you go? To let you go. Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. So now guys, to season my lamb, I'm using chopped garlic and oil, and this is just gonna give it a beautiful flavor, because we all know once garlic touch any meat, any type of meat whatsoever, like it's just amazing. Like, come on, what you doing with your life if you're not using garlic? Okay, next I'm using Cajun seasoning, and this Cajun seasoning is just gonna give it this beautiful color after it's been seared. I'm also using some garlic powder, even though I add the chopped garlic to it, because I want the added flavor to it. Also some black pepper, just to give it a little spiciness, a little kick to it. Yeah, and last but not least, I'm using my good old Maggi all-purpose season, because it's just all-purpose, honey. Like, it has everything in there. So now I'm just using my fingers and I'm just rubbing all this goodness, all this seasoned honey in it. It'll just taste like it's been marinating for days, honey. Like, come on, you know. I'm kidding, guys. Go ahead and marinate your meat. I just didn't have the time to marinate mine. I just didn't have the time to marinate mine. But you know, if you want your lamb chops, you know, as soon as possible, you can just, you know, do what I'm doing. But I just didn't have the time to marinate mine. Okay. Now guys, there we have our seasoned pork chops. So now in a skillet, I'm adding canola oil, and I'm just gonna let that heat. Okay, so now that my skillet is at my preferred temperature, I'll be adding my lamb chops. Okay guys, so I'll be cooking my lamb chops for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And I'm just looking for this golden brown color on each side. It just looks attractive like that, or more appealing. Yes guys, now this is the color that I'm looking for. Golden brown, just beautiful. Okay guys, so I'm adding rosemary, and this is just gonna give it more, just an amazing flavor, guys. Like, trust me, if you're doing lamb chops or pork chops or even steak on a whole, like, trust me, like, rosemary is just, ugh, it just gives it this flavor, this aroma, you know, like, trust me, it's just amazing. Oh my goodness, like, guys, look how beautiful my lamb chops are. Oh my god, oh my goodness, those are so beautiful. Like, guys, really take a look at those are just so beautiful. I'm so proud. And you can know, guys, this is actually my first time doing lamb chops. I promise you, it's my first time doing lamb chops, and I'm so proud of myself. Oh my goodness. So okay guys, I'm removing my lamb chops, and I'm just going to finish them off in the oven for about 2 minutes, no longer. Okay. So guys, I'll be making my glaze for my lamb chops, and I'm using the same pot because I want the added flavor. So I'm adding butter to that pot, then I'll be adding some onions and also some more chopped garlic. Yeah, so just stir that around, and guys, trust me, you should know exactly how the kitchen smells right now. Just amazing. Heaven. Heaven. It smells like heaven right now. So now guys, I'm adding some beef stock to my skillet. I'll also be using some red wine and honey. So you're just gonna let that simmer until it starts to reduce and thicken. perfect. And guys, our lamb chops are out of the oven and they're just so beautiful. Yes. So now I'm just pouring that glaze over my lamb chops, and oh my goodness guys, it's just so beautiful. Now for my sides, I have some garlic mashed potato and some bean and carrot. And there you have it guys, our finished product. I do hope you guys enjoy this video guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment, share and subscribe, and guys please try this recipe. It was so amazing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.